Hello friends, in this video we will learn that how can we use border image property in HTML. So this is the Visual Studio Code and here I have created the new file with name border image property and here is the image border.png. Now let me open it. So this is the image and here is no border, means it is PNG image. Now open this menu file. Now firstly let's type the coding of style tag and then in body tag we will type P and we have to give an ID to this P tag and I will give you border IMG for image. Now here you can type any text like hello world, hello, or we can type here welcome to border image property tutorial. Now let's style this P. Now let me open it one time. Now see, here's the text. See, so here's the text and you can see that here's no border right now. So firstly let's give the border to this style tag and remember one thing, that border image needs border property set to work. So now here in style tag we have to type hash because we give here ID node class. So type hash, then border, then img because this is the ID of our P tag and now. Okay, so now firstly we have to give here border. Now you can give here 10 pixel solid border but transparent so that we can't see it. Okay, now the second thing we can give is padding, and the padding will be of 15 pixel. Is perfect for me. You can give here of your choice. Now this border image property, here it is. Now here you have to give URL first. Type URL, then drag it, and then I will give here border.png, this one which is over here. Now you have to give here 30 round. Now let's see the output. It's already opened. So now you can see how it is. You can also give width and height to this border. Now Let me copy this p tag one more time and paste it over here. Now I will change the text into border image. Now I will change the ID into border only or border I. Now type here hash border I. Now here we have to type same as all this. Do not copy this last line, paste it over here and then type here border image like this, and then URL border.png, this one. And now we will give here 30 stretch, not round. So let's give here 30 stretch. Now see, here is our border and here these diamond shapes are stretched. So now let's copy this p tag one more time and we will paste it. Now I will change the name into border IM. Now let's copy all this coding and now paste it over here. Change border I into border IM, and now here we can here remove the stretch and here will be round, but let's firstly give here 50 round so you can see how it is now. And let me duplicate this one more time, paste means copy, and now let's copy this also. And now here will be A and here also. Okay. Now here I will change 50 into 20% round. Now you can see how it is. It is a little bigger than this one, but this both are same. Now let me give here, let me copy it first, paste it, copy this P tag and then paste it. Here I will type image here also. Now here I will give 30%. Now you can see how it is. So like this you can give border image to any p tag or to any tag. So friends, thanks for watching. Bye friends.